Hi, this is Connor with the Activate support team, and today I'll be walking you through how to connect Excel to your Activate database through an ODBC connection so that you can grab customer data or other data from the Activate database and port it directly into Excel. So the first thing you'll want to do is go up and hit the Data tab. Click that. We're already in it for now. You'll go to Get Data, go to Other Sources, and then click From Microsoft Query. And from here, it's going to show you a list of some data sources. The one we're going to use is the Activate Demo data source. This is an ODBC connection. We've got another video on how to set these up if you need that, or a step-by-step guide. For now, let's click our Activate Demo ODBC connection. Click OK. As usual, the login ID is just auto-filled in with SA, and the password is blank. Now, if your IT personnel has changed these login credentials, you'll need to talk to them. Now, as usual, the login ID is showing as SA and the password is blank. If your IT person has changed the credentials, you'll need to talk to them for what those credentials are so you can log into your SQL Server. Or if you don't think you've changed them at all and it populates as SA, you can reach out to the Activate support team to get the default password for the database. So we'll hit that. Cool. Now it's going to give us some options to choose from different views within the database. We're going to try and grab the customer view, because let's say we're trying to see customer names and their associated email. So here we are in the customer view. We hit the little plus button and we can see the columns in this database. So we'll go down to customer ID. And we'll hit this little arrow to move it over. And now we'll also look for the email. Email. Cool. So now what this should pull is the customer ID and the email. We'll hit next. We'll hit next, because this is how you can sort it if you want to. More sorting if you want to. Now from this window you have two options. You can just return the data directly back into your Excel document, or you can further edit the query in Microsoft Query. Microsoft Query is just another application that gives you some more tools to further detail how your data is presented in Excel. For now, since this is pretty simple, we'll just return the data to Excel. Hit finish. It's going to ask us where we want to put this table. We'll say just right there is good. And there we go. Where you have our customer ID and the email associated with that customer. And since this is a demo company, it's kind of our testing environment. We don't have a ton of emails set up for the rest of the customers, but we can still see it here with some of them. So we know that this query is working. Again, you can make this more complicated. You can add further rules about, only select these customers where the first part of the email is Ed or whatever. You can do that all within Microsoft Query Editor if you want to do that. But just walking you through how to set up the basics of that connection between Activate and Excel using the ODBC connection. And that's it.